Hi everyone, in this video, we'll show you how to set up storage space in LincOS, including creating RAID 0 and RAID 1, adding or removing disks, and managing disk sleep and health status. Part 1. Create a storage space. First, open the LincStation client and go to My Device. Find Storage Management, then click Create Storage Space. Here, we'll show two examples, RAID 0 and RAID 1. First, select RAID 0. Then choose the disks you want to use. In this example, we'll select 3 disks. After that, click Create Storage Space. Once the process is complete, the RAID 0 storage space is created. If you want to delete the storage space, click Delete, enter your password to confirm, and the storage space will be removed. Next, let's create RAID 1. Select RAID 1, choose 2 disks, and confirm. Once completed, the RAID 1 storage space is created. You can click the storage name, such as LincStation_RAID 1, to rename it. Part 2. Add or remove disks. If you want to add a disk, click plus Free Disks. Select the available disk, confirm, and the disk will be added. If you want to remove a disk, click Remove Disk, then follow the confirmation steps. Part 3. Disk sleep and power saving. Next, let's look at disk management. Go to Disk Management, then select the disk you want to manage. Here, you can see the disk information and current status. If the disk is active, the status will show running. Click Sleep Disk, and the disk status will change to suspended. When you go back to My Space, you may not see the files from that disk while it is suspended. If you upload files from your computer to the NAS, the disk will wake up automatically and return to running status. This helps reduce power consumption when the disk is not in use. Part 4. Check disk health. You can also click Health Information to check the disk health status. This helps you monitor the condition of your drives and detect potential issues earlier. Part 5. Wipe a disk. Finally, there is Wipe Device. This option will erase the data on the selected disk. After wiping the disk, when you return to My Space, you will see that the files have been cleared. Before using this option, make sure you have backed up all important data. That's a quick guide to storage setup in LincOS. You can create RAID 0 for more capacity and speed, RAID 1 for data redundancy, add or remove disks when needed, and use disk sleep to reduce power consumption.